We begin with Chapter 4, the Math of Random Chance, where we delve into the mathematical underpinnings of probability. You can think of probability to be roughly the same thing as chance or likelihood. We'll use those words sort of interchangeably, but what we're talking about here then are processes where we don't know exactly what's going to happen. So here's an example. Let's say we're talking about the passing down of genes from parents to children, right? So passing down genes you may be, passing down a recessive or a dominant gene. For instance, a recessive gene would be red hair, green eyes. A dominant gene would be like brown hair or black eyes. And you don't know for sure which one's going to happen, but you have a rough chance or a rough idea of which one is more likely to happen than the other. And so this Punnett square down here, if you remember from biology, so if we think about the Mendelian genetics framework, and we remember how we model passing down recessive and dominant genes, we're going to be talking about all the math that goes into that. And the math really comes from understanding how to analyze the realm of possibilities. So your total space of possibilities is going to be really important for understanding random chance. We're going to get the opportunity to do all that, as well as understanding the basic principles of the probability measure and learn some important counting principles so that we can find out the probability of an event where we do multiple random selection, just one random selection, and independent and dependent random selection. So all very detailed work that we're going to do, and we're going to also think about different ways of representing random chance, such as with the equivalent of a Punnett square, which is a contingency table.